So Python is a high-level general purpose programming language, and so it's really great for beginners. So it has a super simple syntax, but just because it's simple and nice and easy for beginners doesn't mean it's not powerful. It's incredibly powerful, and it's used by some of the biggest companies out there. You can use it for building web applications. You can use it for doing, AI to machine learning to all sorts of really cool, awesome, applications for the programming language. So it can do everything from automating general tasks down to doing complex data analysis. Even if you're not a software engineer, you guarantee that you can find ways to use Python in your job. Most people are, brand new. This is their first programming language, and I think Python as a first programming language is a really fun one to learn because the syntax is simple, it reads like English, and again, you can start writing programs almost, right away. Day one, we're in here, we're writing programs, we're doing it. So the barrier to entry is pretty low. If you have the ability to write Python, it's gonna set you apart from other people in your field. It really can give you an edge up, I think, in the job market. And not only that, I think, in the future, it might be a requirement of a lot of jobs to know at least some programming. So it really can't ever hurt you. We meet once a week for 3 hours. We'll take a break in the middle of it. But it's a pretty dense, evening, but it's one night a week with a little bit of homework throughout the week, but definitely not too intense of a time commitment at all. I love teaching beginners. I really love breaking down the barrier to entry for people learning programming. I don't think anyone should be intimidated by programming at all. And I think Python is just such a fantastic language for that because it is, simple and easy to get started on day one. I would just hope if anyone has any, inkling or ever been intimidated, or think oh, I could never learn that. I really encourage you to come and try because I really love just getting people past that, initial hesitation, and you'll be amazed at how easy it is and how quickly you're going to be able to pick up this stuff.